Where is your focus on God? Are you focusing on things of this world, which can be anything? Like, watching TV, social media, scrolling just aimlessly, even if it has content that's about Jesus or God or reading the Word, image of the Word. If you're spending time learning from articles or, spending time with people, but you're not taking the time to spend time with God, then that's an idol. I'm encouraging you today to focus and spend time intentionally. Like you have to intentionally brush your teeth every single day. You have to wash your face every day. You have to shower. You have to go to sleep. You have to change your clothes every day. In the same way, you have to spend time with God intentionally. You have to make the decision every day to make sure you open your Bible, whether that's on your phone or an actual physical Bible in your hand where you flip pages. If you're not sure where to start, then you can start in the book of John, the Gospel. And you work your way through the Gospels, then through the New Testament. Then once you go through all the New Testament, then you can go through the Old Testament. Don't miss any of the books. They all serve you to help understand who God is. Are you going to make that decision to read the Word today? Are you going to make the decision to pray to God today and to worship Him? Undivided attention. He is waiting for you. He desires to know you. He already knows you, but do you know Him? He wants a relationship with you. He loves you so much. He wants to show you all kinds of mysteries that He wants to reveal to you. But you can only do that if you spend time with Him. If you don't spend time with Him, that tells Him that you don't care about Him. Be blessed.